Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a 4-pack of Type-C chargers. So these are 20-watt fast chargers, and these are great to have multiple ones because, at least for someone like me, we place them at different outlets around the house so I can always be connected and never have to fumble around trying to find them. So this is what they look like. Very simple. They plug into your wall outlet and you put in Type-C to Type-C. So would be just like this. And then that would get plugged in directly to your Type-C device. And there you go. Just like that. You plug it in. And now we got power. Now our phone is charging. And because it's fast 20-watt charging, it's going to take a lot less time than your average charger. Just like that. So overall, they're nice and compact. They don't take up much room, and you could put 2 if you needed to on a wall, as they're designed to fit. Very nice.